Hello everyone, this is a disappointment with these blocks here. They replaced all the old Fujitec. Yes, I know, I saw. I'm just here for my sixth lift tour, not fifth. So yeah, I'm gonna start the EM, then Fujitec. But first, we'll wait for the lift. Here's the EM. Oh, so disappointment. Okay, time to skip. Here comes the elevator. Story 1. Let's go up to 13. Door is opening. Door is closing. Going up. This lift. So damn boring, man. At this point myself, they replaced the lifts. Great. Here we are at 13.
Story 13.
Story 13. Let's go down to 1. It's closing.
Going down.
Going down. Circle. Squid game. Okay, here we are at 1. Story 1. Story 1. Door is opening. Okay, time to ride the Fujitec lift. Yeah, this is the Fujitec lift. I bet this is the old indicators.
Baca sadar.
It's the elevator.
Then, when I walk in, it never takes all. A normal person will look away. அப்பனா நார்மலா சொன்னா இப்படி பார்த்துட்டு போயிடுவாங்க தானே, அப்படியே சாப்பிட்ற மாதிரி பார்த்துக்கலாம் சொல்றேன். நோ நோ நோ, he always இப்படி தான் பொம்பளை சாப்பிட்ற மாதிரி பார்ப்பான், ஏன்னா அரிப்பாண்டி.
ராய்க்கு கொடுத்துறாத. என்ன இருக்கும்?
Several people be trying to ruin my recording, man. Alright, here's the interior, I guess. But I said, bro, because people like to stand right in front of me, bro. Story 16. Let's go back down to 1. Going down. Announcement quite soft. Like, dude, people be like trying to ruin my recordings here. I mean, the other plate's already off. Story 1. Alright, I'm gonna take the bus to block 87. Or maybe I might go to the block. Yeah, you know what, yo, I'm gonna end the recording.